Hi everyone. Let's go in and see the steps involved with adding to the calendars feature. We'll say as an example that Green Tech High is planning an open house. First step, we go over to the menu button, then we go to information and we select calendars. Our next step, we go in and click add event. And to add our event, we're really just going to go in and fill out this form. Now, if your site does have more than one calendar, your first step will be to select the calendar you want to post this to. In this case, I want this to go to the main calendar, so I'll leave that be. We just go in and fill in the fields. I'll select the date for this, so we'll say that this will be next Thursday, and then add on the time. We'll say this event will be from 6 p.m. until 8 p.m. After that, we'll go in and add on our location. So for this event, I'm going to say that this is going to be held at the main campus. The cool thing is that everything that we've added on so far, from title to location, this will all go on the home page. Now we have the option to go in and to add a description on. Definitely something we want to do. To do that, we're going to use this text editor. It's the same text editor that we've used with news. And just like with news, if we're going to paste our text in here, we'll want to be sure to first switch this to plain text first. I go to where I have this stored, and I'm just going to go in and copy. And afterwards, I'm ready to paste this in. Now, after I pasted this in, I can definitely go in and switch this back over to rich formatting. And then we can add on any formatting that we like. As an example, I'll go in and make this bold and underlined. So our new calendar event is looking pretty good. All we've done so far is just filled out the form. Now we have where we can go in and add files. We want to remember the same way that we'll add files to an email. Well, that's exactly what we're going in and doing here. In this case, I'd like to add a photo. So to do that, I go in, I click Choose File. I'm going to find where this photo is located, so be just a moment. Let's see. We'll go with this one here. I click Open. Now, if your site's already been linked to your Facebook and Twitter channels, it's a great option. We can go in and then decide as to whether or not we want to share key content from this event over to our social media channels. Definitely something we want to do. And we make this happen by going in and just simply checking these boxes. Perfect. Now, once we've gone in and done that, we'll see the content that's being posted over specifically. You can edit this, but specifically what's going to be is the title, time, date, and location, as well as a link back to the site and your featured photo. So our calendar event is looking awesome. All we need to do now to go in and to post this to the site is to simply go in and click Save. Now, if I refresh the screen, I can see that we've added on our open house event, and I can view more details as well.